In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use SmartArt graphics in PowerPoint 2013 step by step. SmartArt is one of the easiest ways to create professional-looking diagrams, processes, hierarchies, and visual presentations without needing any design experience. Whether you're creating a business presentation, a school project, or a training slide deck, SmartArt can instantly make your slides look more organized and visually appealing. Make sure to watch until the end so you can fully customize your SmartArt like a pro. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint 2013 presentation and go to the slide where you want to insert your SmartArt graphic. At the top of the screen, click on the Insert tab in the ribbon. This is where you'll find all the elements you can add to your slide, including pictures, charts, shapes, and of course SmartArt. Once you click on Insert, look for the SmartArt button in the Illustrations group. Click on SmartArt, and a new window will appear showing different categories of SmartArt graphics. You'll see options like List, Process, Cycle, Hierarchy, Relationship, Matrix, Pyramid, and Picture. Each category is designed for a different type of visual information. For example, if you want to show steps in a process, choose Process. If you want to display an organizational chart, choose Hierarchy. Select the layout that best fits your content, then click OK. After you select your SmartArt layout, it will appear on your slide with placeholder text. Now it's time to fill in your content. You can either click directly inside the text boxes in the SmartArt graphic and start typing, or use the text pane that appears on the left side. Simply click inside each bullet point and type your text. As you add more text, the SmartArt will automatically adjust to fit your content. If you need additional sections, press Enter in the text pane to add more bullet points. Once you've entered your text, click on the SmartArt graphic itself to make sure it's selected. When it's selected, you'll notice two new tabs appear at the top, Design and Format under SmartArt Tools. Click on the Design tab. This is where you can customize the overall look and structure of your SmartArt. In the Design tab, look for the Change Colors option. Click on Change Colors to see a variety of color schemes. You can choose from colorful combinations or more subtle professional tones depending on your presentation style. Simply click on the color set you prefer and the SmartArt will instantly update. Next, in the same Design tab, explore the SmartArt Style section. Here you can choose different visual effects such as 3D styles, shadows, polished looks, or simple flat designs. Click on any style to preview it instantly on your SmartArt. This is a quick way to enhance the visual impact of your slide without manually editing shapes. If you want to change the structure of your SmartArt while keeping your text, click on Layouts in the Design tab. This allows you to switch to a different SmartArt layout within the same category or even try a completely different structure. PowerPoint will automatically adapt your existing text into the new layout, saving you time and effort. And that's it. You've now learned how to insert SmartArt, add text, change colors, apply SmartArt styles, and modify layouts in PowerPoint 2013. Using these simple steps, you can transform plain text into engaging visual graphics in just a few clicks. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step PowerPoint guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.